Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video but that I find very interesting, responding to a comment that you have left me in relation to a video I made about cracked exhaust manifold due to obstruction of the anti-particulate filter. Let's see. Someone has commented that his mechanic told him that there is nothing wrong with the anti-particulate filter or the catalyst being clogged, that the engine would simply stop. Of course it would stop because it drowns. Just like if you put a plug in the exhaust pipe would choke the engine because the gases cannot escape. But think about one thing before reaching that situation, that the engine stops because the anti-particulate filter, or the catalyst, is completely clogged. That has been gradually producing a counterpressure, which means that the exhaust gases cannot come out fluidly. So the key is that fluidity, so that the temperature from the combustion chamber, which the exhaust gases can be above 2000 degrees Celsius, also depending on whether the fuel is diesel or gasoline. The key is that these gases, as I say, come out and cool down, because if there is a counterpressure, those gases remain at that high temperature for longer. And the temperature has to be endured by the exhaust manifold. The turbo has to be endured. In cars that have a turbo, it can even damage exhaust valves and even the engine itself if the exhaust gases cannot escape. If there is a blockage there, due to that back pressure, the engine can be seriously damaged. We are even talking about the pistons and we are talking about the cylinders. Be careful with these things. It is not so simple that the engine stops. Well, here you have this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.